Hi everyone, in this video I will be explaining you on how to do environment setup when we need to automate a web application using Selenium with Python. Before going to actual coding, there are some setup process or installation process which we need to do. That installation process I have divided into 4 points. First one is installation of Python. As we are coding using Python, so we need to install Python. In the same way, there should be some IDE to write our Python script. So we need to install PyCharm, which is an IDE to write Python code. Third one is setting up pip, package installation manager of Python. And fourth one is installing libraries using pip. Let me explain you step by step. First one is installation of Python. To set up Python, again I have categorized into 4 steps. First one is download Python. Second one is install Python, set up environment variables, verify whether Python is installed or not. Let me explain you step by step. Navigate to www.python.org. Go to downloads and download Python 3.8.3 version, which is the latest one for Windows. After downloading, navigate to downloaders, start installing by double click the exe file. Click on run. It's just a normal installation process just by clicking next. The advantage of latest installation of Python is if you check this checkbox add Python 3.82 path, by default the environment path variable will be added. Okay, and here is the place where the Python will be installed. This is the default Python installation where I am selecting the same and click on install now. This will take a couple of minutes to install. I will be pausing the video till this installation completes. Yes, now the Python was successfully installed. Close the window. Now I have downloaded Python and I have installed. Set up environment variables. As I have checked one of the checkbox before installing, the environment path variable has been set. Let me check whether it has been set or not. To check, right click on this PC, go to properties, select advanced system settings, click on environment variables and open the path variable. If you see, Python environment variable has been set. And fourth step is to verify Python is installed or not. To verify, open command prompt, type Python space --, version, enter. So Python 3.8.3 version is installed. That is the same version which we have downloaded and we have installed. So my first step is completed. I have installed Python successfully. In the same way, I need to install PyCharm, and that too community version, which is free version. So I need to navigate to www.jetbrains.com. Okay, here is the download option for community edition for pure Python development. Download. It will take some time to download this exe. Meanwhile, I will pause the video. Yes, the PyCharm exe is downloaded. Navigate to the path where it has been downloaded. Double click on the exe, and this is also normal installation process by just clicking next button. Next, This is the by default folder where the PyCharm will be installed. 64 launcher checkbox should be checked and click on next button. Install. Again it will take a couple of minutes of time. Meanwhile I will pause my video. Yes, the PyCharm has been installed. It will ask for reboot now or want to manually reboot later. I will select I will do reboot later. Finish. Again the first two steps, download PyCharm, install PyCharm, has been completed. Let me open PyCharm and just create a new project. Select PyCharm Community Edition. First it will ask for the theme. I'm selecting light. Next. These are by default some of the plugins which will request for install. As of now I'm not selecting anything. Start using PyCharm directly. Click on create new project. Here we have to give the project name, demo project. Click on create. There are some environment settings which we need to take care. I will be explaining these things later. So I'm clicking on create. So my demo project has been created. Now the third step is set up pip. When you install Python, directly the pip will also be installed. So to verify whether pip has been installed or not, pip space -- version. If you see here, pip 19.2.3 is already been installed with Python 3.8. So there is no any separate setup to install pip. If you install Python by default, pip also will be installed. Okay, third step is completed. Now coming to fourth step, installing libraries using pip. So if we want to install any libraries or any packages, we have to use pip to install those libraries. Now as we are working with Selenium, so I have to install Selenium libraries. So to install Selenium libraries, use pip install Selenium. If you observe here, requirement Selenium already satisfied. 3.141.0 is already been installed. So let me uninstall this version and install it again. Pip uninstall Selenium. So Selenium 3.141.0 will be uninstalled. Let me reinstall it once again. Pip install Selenium. First it will download the Selenium package, then it will install the Selenium, So if I want to check what are all the packages installed, so this is the command pip list. This will give what are all the packages which are installed using pip. If you see here, pip is installed with the version 19.2.3. There is another packages Robot Framework and Robot Framework Selenium library which I have installed for Robot Framework, and Selenium 3.141.0. These are all the packages which are installed using pip. Now we are ready for actual scripting.